Hello, my good people. Welcome back to my channel. My good name is Bente. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Guys, help me reach 1k subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, hope you guys are doing good. On my side, I'm doing great. I really thank God. Yeah, and okay, today the weather is not good as you can see. It's cold, but I really thank God. Yeah, I'm okay. So on today's video, okay, today some. I want to answer two questions that many people do ask me. It's how old I am. Okay, I'm 21 years old. Yeah. Also, people do ask, am I still learning? Okay, I just finished the last year my secondary education. Yeah. On September, I'm supposed to join for another level. Yeah. I think all. I think I've already answered you guys. Also on today's video, I'm going to show you how I feed my chickens. Yeah, keep watching my video, you'll just enjoy. Yeah.